Honestly, I think anyone who has expertise in something and is sharing it with people, you should create an online course. Hey, my name is Loren. I am a social media and content marketing strategist and a new course creator. So my online course is called the Reels course, and it's basically everything that you need to learn about how to use Instagram Reels. So we teach you the strategy behind creating a meme mentality all the way through filming and editing. It's basically like a mini film school, but for Reels. Working in the social media space for so long, I was able to make a lot of friends who were social media educators and they worked in that space.
Day in the life of a freelance marketer / content creator. Here we go, Monday. They're my busiest days. I never do my hair and makeup.
But what I really liked looking at is that they had a lot of freedom. They got to live a lifestyle that I really wanted, where they were in charge of their own schedules and they were running their own businesses and they could kind of do things on their terms. And I was like, I'd love to do that one day, but I had a really limiting belief that I couldn't do that right now. I quit my job as head of marketing at Girl Boss. And if you're counting, that means I quit 2 dream jobs in 1 year during a pandemic. The last year has been a wild ride. In March, my father-in-law passed away, which was a really hard time for our family. But it was also something that just kind of shifted for me, and I realized that life is so short and I didn't want to wait anymore to go after my dreams. Talked about it with my husband and we kind of figured this is actually a really good time to take a risk and go all in. Even though it was really scary, things were very uncertain, but I didn't want to wait anymore to have that 3 to 5 year goal. And I wanted to just make things happen now and start living the life that I wanted, and more importantly, having the lifestyle that I wanted. So I decided to go the route of online courses because I knew that I had a lot of expertise that I wanted to share with other people.
So you can now add captions to your Instagram stories in one easy click.
I also knew that it was a really good way to scale my income of me starting my own business instead of trying to work with clients one-on-one, and I can only make so much money as I have time. Instead of doing that, I would be able to create an educational course, share my knowledge, and reach way more people. Some of the things that I think made my course so successful was that I really invested in the brand element of my course and the design. So I think that I did a really great job of branding it so that it looked different from other courses in the space, and then it looked very professional and be something that people wanted to trust. So at the end of the day, I was so happy with the results from the Reels course, and I achieved my goal and I generated over $100,000 in revenue from my course in the very first month. I'm really excited either way to continue growing as an educator. There's so much more I get to learn in this space, and I feel like this is just the beginning for me.